doing just a few exercises on the foam roller. The foam roller is really good for getting good tactile feedback, and even though the exercises may seem simple, they can be very challenging as well. The foam roller looks very innocent, but let me tell you, once you start working on it, you'll see how much core work you actually really need. So that's one of the reasons I really like it. So I'm going to do a few exercises. You can do more repetitions at home or watch it again. And I will be adding later on some more exercises in the series. So to start, sit at the very tip of your foam roller so that your head can lie down flat on it. If you're taller than that, then you might need to scoot down enough so that your head at least is on the foam roller, maybe not your bottom, or get a longer foam roller. I'm just going to start by taking a few deep breaths into my spine, exhaling, and letting out all the air. Next, I'm going to take another deep breath into my spine, let out all the air, relax my muscles onto the foam roller. Now, this time, take a breath, and as you exhale, pull your belly back deep into your spine. Pull your ribs down towards your belly and into the foam roller. Keep that security there throughout the exercises. So first, we're just going to inhale. Exhale, pull your belly back. Draw your leg in. Inhale. Exhale, pull your leg down with control from your belly. Inhale. Exhale, left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, down with control. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now take your arms out to the side. Feet are hip distance apart. And just move your arms up towards your ears. Draw your shoulders down behind you and really press your ribs into the foam roller so that you're connected from the shoulder girdle to the rib cage. Move the arms down, keeping that connection so that the ribs don't move. Pressing them deep down, pulling your belly up and back, pressing into the backs of your feet and legs. Then open the arms to the side, touch down, touch your legs. Feel your shoulder blades glide as you move the arms up, down to the sides, down, and back up. Then reverse the circle, down, all the while drawing those shoulder blades and ribs back and down. Down with the shoulder blades, let them open, feel them move, ribs are down. Hold your hands out, not too high. You want to keep the shoulders from rising up to your ears, but press into your hands for support if you need to. Lift one leg into tabletop, lift the other leg into tabletop. You're going to extend the legs up and bend them. Keep them squeezed together nice and tight. Keep that neutral spine and bend. Really press from the backs of the legs out and bend. Now you're going to bend the legs. Move the arms down a little bit more. You're going to nod your head, round up, look at your belly, draw the ribs down, and lower down. Inhale. Exhale. Pull the belly back as you round up and down. One more. Pull your belly back. Look into your belly. Belly into your spine. Ribs into the foam roller. And down. Now you're going to take the legs out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in. Put the feet down, open the legs slightly, take one leg into tabletop, extend the opposite arm to the ceiling, shoulder blade drawing down, ribs drawing down, extend the leg, extend the arm, and up, and out. Draw that leg in with the belly. Other side. Tabletop, arm goes up. Reach out long, shoulder blade drawing down. Pull the leg in with the belly. Pull the ribs down. Out and in. Good. Now nod your head. Slide your hands down as you curl up, up, up. Walk yourself up to an upright position. Sit on the very edge of your foam roller and curl your tail under you. Curl deep, belly is pulling back, ribs are pulling back, shoulders are wide, and then roll back up. Woo. See if you can hold your balance. Pull your pelvic floor way up to support you. Pull your belly deep into your spine. Curl. Try to keep that C curve going. Use the back of your legs to press out. Use the back of your legs to pull yourself back up. Think of your heels pulling towards your seat on the roll back up. Pressing out through the heels as you roll down. Pull in through the heels as you roll up. And sit tall. And that concludes this video. Stay tuned for more. There's lots more where that came from. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to get a foam roller, you don't have one, you can go to my Amazon business page under body manipulation and find the right foam roller that you need. I guarantee you will love the exercises.